Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth analyses of the latest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of men's grooming with what many are calling the best antiperspirant out there. Get ready to discover why Harry's Extra Strength Antiperspirant is causing a stir in the personal care scene. Harry's Extra Strength Antiperspirant isn't just any run-of-the-mill deodorant. It's designed specifically for men who demand serious sweat protection without compromising on fragrance or quality. With its innovative formula and captivating scent, Harry's has set a new standard for men's grooming products. Let's talk about performance. Harry's Extra Strength Antiperspirant provides 24-hour odor and enhanced sweat protection, keeping you feeling fresh and confident throughout the day. Whether you're hitting the gym or heading into a high-pressure meeting, you can trust Harry's to have your back. But what sets Harry's apart from the competition? It's not just about sweat protection, it's about the ingredients. With calming ginger root, soothing jojoba oil, and extra soothing allantoin, Harry's antiperspirant is gentle on sensitive skin. Plus, it's free from DHT, D5, parabens, and phthalate, giving you peace of mind with every application. And let's not forget about scent. Harry's offers a range of signature scents, including the brisk and woodsy redwood, the refreshing shiso, the classic stone, and the sophisticated fig. Whatever your preference, there's a Harry's scent to suit every style and occasion. But don't just take our word for it. Customers around the globe are raving about Harry's Extra Strength Antiperspirant. From its smooth application to its long-lasting protection, it's clear why Harry's has become a staple in men's grooming routines. So, if you're ready to elevate your grooming game and say goodbye to sweat and odor woes, it's time to experience the difference with Harry's Extra Strength Antiperspirant. Trust us, your underarms will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, stay fresh and stay fabulous.